Hello there, my name is Nolan, and today I'm going to talk about mirror geometry. Let me first create a basic object. I'll start with creating a cube, a polygon cube. Whoa! So there, I'm going to modify the cube. I can't really start with the cube now, so I'm going to modify it a bit. Edge loops and single faces. Poof! Extrude, that's what it's called. Oh, goodness. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an edge loop. I'm going to use equal multiplier, so I'm exactly 1. So I need one edge loop exactly in the middle. So if I use equal multiplier, it's going to create an edge loop exactly in the middle of those two edges of there, like that. And now I'm going to delete one half of the model of the object. Now delete. Right, so at this stage I'm going to assume nothing really happened. I'm going to assume I never created the object I first previously created. I'm going to assume this is where I actually start. I just create this bit, this part, and I want something similar to complete this object. I need another part similar to this and fix it at the other end, so it forms one unified object. What I could do is I could create one from scratch. Now I won't do that, so I use a tool called Mirror Geometry. It comes in the Mesh tab. It's right in the end. It's called Mirror Geometry. I could click to open Mirror Geometry, but no, that would use the default values of the settings. So I'm going to click on the options box. Come on, Mr. Mouse. Move yourself. Right there, exactly. I'm going to click on it so I could choose my own new preferences based on where I implement the object or the part. There, that's the dialog box which opens up. It's got three basic settings, three parts. So the first part is the direction. That is the view axis. It determines the orientation of the environment and not the object. Yeah. So if I move or rotate the environment like that, yeah, exactly like that, what's going to happen is the view axis right there is going to move as well. It's going to rotate. This is because, yeah, there. But if I actually rotate the object, which I'm going to do in a bit, nothing's going to happen to the view axis. The view axis is going to stay right there, because, like I said, the view axis determines the orientation of the environment of the object. Now, I want to decide, I want to identify the direction where I'm going to move the object, so it's like right there. Yeah. Mr. Mouse, move yourself. It's right there, so that is basically the X direction. It's basic common sense. Now, the second part, that's the X bit. Now, it's going to be a positive x-axis or negative x-axis. How I'm going to determine that is again simple common sense, because anything on the right hand side of the object is going to be positive, and on the opposite, the left hand side, is going to be negative. So anything to the right is going to be positive. So it's quite clear that I'm going to mirror my part on the right side of the part, not the left, so to form a basic T. So it's going to be the positive x-axis, obviously. The second bit is to decide whether we want to merge the relational. That's the main purpose of the mirror geometry tools, to merge two objects to create one unified object. Oh my god, what is this? No, close that. Alright, so yeah, that's the main purpose. So in most cases I will leave that checked, and in almost every case I'll leave that checked. So we want to uniform one object from basically get another similar object and fix them together to form one unified object. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to leave that checked, sorry. The third part of the setting is to decide whether I can merge vertices, connect what edges. Yeah. So if I merge vertices, it's a lot safer way to deal with objects, to merge vertices when you move them or you join them together. That I can assure you nothing's going to be messed up at any stage. But if you use like connect to border edges, I'm not entirely sure if that's going to be safe. So I'd rather stick to manage vertices when it comes to mirror geometry tool. Now I'm clicking apply. Wow, that's what happens. Now why do I use apply? What's the difference between mirror and apply? If I have more than one mirror function or mirror based operation, I'm going to apply, so it's going to apply mirror to more than one object. Now in this case I've just got one, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use mirror instead, because what happens if I use apply, the dialog box is going to stay right there, and the only thing it's going to do is going to mirror the object. If I click on mirror instead, it's going to mirror the object like there, and the dialog box is going to disappear. So we're just going to do its job and go away. There. I guess that's it. Let it go. Let it go. Oh my god. Oh my god. There. Goodbye. Bye bye.